Hello, my name is Michael Patton. In a recent dream, I was vacuuming the carpet of a spacious room in a nice bright home. I see the dream as very positive. Consider this: except for a sofa and a box, the room is clear. So apparently I've gotten rid of a lot of stuff I don't need in my life. And that allows me to do some deep cleaning and get to the stuff that's hidden down below. No, I won't get it all, but I can get a lot. And when I feel satisfied with what I've done, I can fill the room again with new things, a new life. Yes, a positive dream. If you want to get the message of your own dreams, click the link in the description box below.